In a fall, but we must keep blooming. Letha listened, surprised. That day Vikas continued, I was broken inside. My business was sinking. My father was in the hospital. I had lost all hope. But your kindness gave me strength. You reminded me to stay strong and smile. So I decided, if I ever stand on my feet again, I will help someone else rise, too. He handed her the folder and a small key. I run a small flower supply business. I've rented a little shop nearby. It's yours now, to use, to sell from, and to stay dry during the rains. Letha's eyes widened, but I can't pay rent. I barely earn enough to eat. Vika smiled. You don't need to pay now. Once you start earning well, you can return it little by little. No rush, just keep smiling and keep spreading your kindness. Tears of gratitude rolled down Letha's cheeks. She remembered all the times she chose to stay positive, even when she had no sales. When people were rude, when it rained nonstop. She had still given, still smiled. The next day, Letha opened her shop, a tiny space with a table, shelves, and a roof. Her flowers stayed fresh, and her customers stayed dry. More and more people came, not just to buy flowers, but to feel the warmth of her words and her infectious smile. Soon, she hired 2 women from her neighborhood who also needed work, teaching them how to tie garlands and treat every customer with care. In time, Letha But even in the pouring rain, we have the power to choose our response. A positive mindset doesn't erase our problems, but it gives us the strength to rise above them. If you keep smiling, stay kind, and believe in better days, life will surprise you with blessings you never expected. Kindness, no matter how small, can create ripples that reach farther than we can ever imagine. When we smile through hardship and share what little we have, life finds a way to reward us in the most unexpected ways. True strength is not in what we endure, but in how we endure it. Never underestimate the power of your attitude. Positivity during hard times plants the seeds for unexpected miracles. It could change someone's life, and it will definitely change your own. So, remember to keep blooming, even when it rains. If you found this story inspiring, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new story that motivates and lifts your spirit. And tell us in the comments what part of Letha's story touched your heart the most. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.